Welcome to Big Under Knowledge World YouTube channel. Let's learn to speak English.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm starving.
Starving means very hungry.
Yes, I'm starving.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I'm parched.
Parched means very thirsty.
Yes, I'm parched.
Are you tired?
Yes, I'm exhausted.
Exhausted means very tired.
Yes, I'm exhausted.
Are you cold?
Yes, I'm freezing.
Freezing means very cold.
Yes, I'm freezing.
Are you hot?
Yes, I'm boiling.
Boiling means very hot.
Yes, I'm boiling.
Are you scared?
Yes, I'm terrified.
Terrified means very scared.
Yes, I'm terrified.
Are you happy?
Yes, I'm overjoyed.
Overjoyed means extremely happy.
Yes, I'm overjoyed.
Are you sad?
Yes, I'm devastated.
Devastated means very sad.
Yes, I'm devastated.
Are you excited?
Yes, I'm thrilled.
Thrilled means very excited.
Yes, I'm thrilled.
Are you confused?
Yes, I'm baffled.
Baffled means very confused.
Yes, I'm baffled.
Are you calm?
Yes, I'm peaceful.
Peaceful means very calm.
Yes, I'm peaceful.
Are you angry?
Yes, I'm furious.
Furious means very angry.
Yes, I'm furious.
Are you worried?
Yes, I'm anxious.
Anxious means very worried.
Yes, I'm anxious.
Are you full?
Yes, I'm stuffed.
Stuffed means very full.
Yes, I'm stuffed.
Are you rich? Are you rich?
Yes, I'm loaded.
Loaded means very rich.
Yes, I'm loaded.
Are you busy?
Yes, I'm swamped.
Swamped means very busy.
Yes, I'm swamped.
Are you lonely?
Yes, I'm isolated.
Isolated means very lonely.
Yes, I'm isolated.
Are you sick?
Yes, I'm miserable.
Miserable means very sick.
Yes, I'm miserable.
Are you hungry for something specific?
Yes, I'm craving pizza.
Craving means strongly wanting.
Yes, I'm craving pizza.
Are you feeling better?
Yes, I'm recovering.
Recovering means getting better.
Yes, I'm recovering.
Are you nervous?
Yes, I'm jittery.
Jittery means very nervous.
Yes, I'm jittery.
Are you surprised?
Yes, I'm astonished.
Astonished means very surprised.
Yes, I'm astonished.
Are you confident?
Yes, I'm certain.
Certain means very confident.
Yes, I'm certain.
Are you tired of waiting?
Yes, I'm fed up.
Fed up means very tired of something.
Yes, I'm fed up.
Are you strong?
Yes, I'm powerful.
Powerful means very strong.
Yes, I'm powerful.
Are you weak?
Yes, I'm frail.
Frail means very weak.
Yes, I'm frail.
Are you lazy?
Yes, I'm sluggish.
Sluggish means very lazy or slow.
Yes, I'm sluggish.
Are you generous?
Yes, I'm giving.
Giving means very generous.
Yes, I'm giving.
Are you lucky?
Yes, I'm fortunate.
Fortunate means very lucky.
Yes, I'm fortunate.
Are you creative?
Yes, I'm inspired.
Inspired means very creative.
Yes, I'm inspired.
Are you peaceful?
Yes, I'm serene.
Serene means very peaceful.
Yes, I'm serene.
Are you bold?
Yes, I'm daring.
Daring means very bold.
Yes, I'm daring.
Are you gentle?
Yes, I'm tender.
Tender means very gentle.
Yes, I'm tender.
Are you adventurous?
Yes, I'm daring.
Daring means very adventurous.
Yes, I'm daring.
Are you light?
Yes, I'm buoyant.
Buoyant means very light and happy.
Yes, I'm buoyant.
Are you heavy?
Yes, I'm weighed down.
Weighed down means very heavy or burdened.
Yes, I'm weighed down.
Are you feeling silly?
Yes, I'm feeling goofy.
Goofy means very silly.
Yes, I'm feeling goofy.
Are you confident in yourself?
Yes, I'm assured.
Assured means very confident.
Yes, I'm assured.
Are you calm in a storm?
Yes, I'm composed.
Composed means very calm.
Yes, I'm composed.
Are you peaceful in nature?
Yes, I'm tranquil.
Tranquil means very peaceful.
Yes, I'm tranquil.
Are you irritated?
Yes, I'm annoyed.
Annoyed means very irritated.
Yes, I'm annoyed.
Are you cheerful?
Yes, I'm joyful.
Joyful means very cheerful.
Yes, I'm joyful.
Are you confident?
Yes, I'm assured.
Are you calm in a storm?
Yes, I'm composed.
Composed means very calm.
Yes, I'm composed.
Are you peaceful in nature?
Yes, I'm tranquil.
Tranquil means very peaceful.
Yes, I'm tranquil.
Are you irritated?
Yes, I'm annoyed.
Annoyed means very irritated.
Yes, I'm annoyed.
Are you cheerful?
Yes, I'm joyful.
Joyful means very cheerful.
Yes, I'm joyful.
Are you proud?
Yes, I'm triumphant.
Triumphant means very proud.
Yes, I'm triumphant.
Are you overwhelmed?
Yes, I'm crushed.
Crushed means very overwhelmed.
Yes, I'm crushed.
Are you fearless?
Yes, I'm invincible.
Invincible means very fearless.
Yes, I'm invincible.
Are you safe?
Yes, I'm secure.
Secure means very safe.
Yes, I'm secure.
Are you confused by something?
Yes, I'm puzzled.
Puzzled means very confused.
Yes, I'm puzzled.
Are you intense emotions?
Yes, I'm passionate.
Passionate means very intense.
Yes, I'm passionate.